most chaotic unboxing video that you have seen on YouTube streets, okay? And it's by me, Unique Mom TV. You already know. So YouTube sent this package about, I think I got this package on the 19th or so, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, on the 19th. And today is 30th, and I haven't unboxed it yet because I have been critically busy. Alright, so today I have decided to unbox it because it feels like anytime I say that when I get home I'm going to unbox it, one thing happens and I don't unbox it. So today I'm going somewhere and I decided to pick my package along so that I can unbox it inside the car with you. So I have opened it. I had to open it like this because I didn't have anything to open it with in the car. You can see the logo, of course, is from my big boss, and that is YouTube. So let me open the first item, but I'm going to drop it this way for easy access, okay? So we don't make it more chaotic, okay? So wow, first of all, you know, there's always a note of appreciation, and this is the one we got on this particular one, okay? And let me read it out. Hey creator, a huge congratulations to you on achieving elite status in this optimized challenge. This is a massive achievement. Please enjoy this gift as a thank you for your incredible work and dedication. We can't wait to see what you achieve next. Okay, yeah, let me take that again. We can't wait to see what you would achieve next. Okay, best regards, the YouTube team. Okay, as usual, you know that I love my bossy bossy. That's a message from him. Wahoo! Whoa! This is the first item from YouTube, and this is a very beautiful, solid backpack. You can see the logo YouTube. Okay, you can see the logo. This is from YouTube. Wow, this backpack is very solid. Now we have a bag. Anytime we are going for market vlog, I can put my camera in here and everything I'm vlogging inside here and carry it on my back. There's an inner space. Okay, I apologize for the way that I'm unboxing this bag, but there's an inner space and this. Okay, so this is gift number one. So it feels fun though, but yeah. Okay, this is gift number two. Wow, this is actually a YouTube Shorts. Is it beanie they call it? I think other creators call it beanie. Okay, this is a hat from YouTube Shorts. Okay, I can wear it on my hair. Lilao. Okay, so that's it. This is the second item here. And oh wow, there's a pen. We got a pen. Yes, we got a writing pen, and there's a short. Okay, we got a cute little pen. Okay, so yep, that's the third item. Wow, we got a brick puzzle. Can you see that, yo? We got a brick puzzle. Okay, it says ready, set, build. Okay, this is a puzzle. I think I have to arrange it and make this particular logo that we're seeing here. That's the next one inside. And of course we have a book. Okay, a very beautiful book. It has the YouTube logo at the back here. All right, so yeah, so that's the book. Very solid, nice too. What else do we have? Okay, we have this box, so let's find out what is inside. Wow, it's a mug. Oh la la, wow, I like the color of the mug, yo. Can you see that? Can you see that? YouTube Shorts. Very solid mug. Okay, so every day of my life now I'll start drinking tea. Something inside this cup, even though it's water, I'll use this cup and drink it because it's coming from YouTube. Why not? And I love the color, red and black. Pretty nice. Okay, so that's what's inside this box. And yes, they said it was going to be okay. There's something left inside the Bible. Let me show you. Oh wow, this is what do we call this, tag, YouTube tag. There's a name for it, I forgot it for now. So this is a YouTube tag, the one you put on your dress, like for people to know that you're a YouTuber, of course. So this is it. And they said, oh yes, it is customized. I didn't even see it. Look at that. Look at my name, Unique Mom TV. It is customized, y'all. Yes, I remember they said it was going to be customized. The gifts were going to be customized, and we have our name, Unique Mom TV. Oh la la! So that's all the beautiful stuff that I got from YouTube as Christmas gifts. The bag, the mug, the writing paper, the puzzle. I think they call this the beanie. I guess people call it. I've watched creators that unbox gifts on their space call it beanie. So this is a YouTube short beanie. I guess I can call it that. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, that's everything that we got for the challenge that we did. Okay, so now this challenge that we did was actually the Elite challenge. Okay, and I was on the famous wall. The first week, the famous wall. Okay, I was there, and I'm grateful to God for that beautiful blessing, because it's actually an achievement for me and every one of us watching me right now, because without your support, y'all, I wouldn't be here by now. Okay, so shout out to every one of you for supporting me. As a creator, make sure to always participate in any challenge that YouTube brings to us. Any challenge, or just participate. It is good for your channel. You get gifts. Not all the challenge that we do that we get gifts, but most of them, 90% of them, we get gifts as a reward for participating. Any single time that YouTube reaches out to you to participate in any challenge, please participate, because most of the times, 95% of the times, we get gifts as rewards. You know, just imagine having a backpack with your name on it. It's beautiful. The flex is different, I beg you. So please participate, okay? Whether it's long form, whether it's short, whatever, just do whatever YouTube wants you to do, okay? Just do whatever it is that they want you to do. There's always a reward at the end of the day. If there's no physical reward like this, your channel would definitely pick up from it also. You understand? So that's all I have to say. Shout out to my community. Thank you so very much, everyone, for watching. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support always. Thank you for everything you do for me on the channel. Okay, I am grateful. And this is a wrap. I am sorry the way that I unboxed this thing. I didn't have any choice. I just have to, because this is the only time I have to. This is the only time I might have to make this video. If I don't do it now, I might not be able to do it again. Okay, and I don't want to unbox it without showing you guys, so that's why I just had to do it this way. At least it's better that you guys see it than not seeing it at all. All right, my lovers, until next time, my lollipops, stay safe and play big always. Ciao.